In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Powerbeats Pro 2 are not pairing with your phone or with your computer. So let's get started right away. What I suggest is to do a reset, okay? It takes just a few seconds. Place both of your earbuds in the case, and once you're there in the case, you see there's a button here. We'll need to keep it pressed during about 10 seconds until you see this light turning to red. So let me do it with you. I'll press this button. I'm currently pressing. Do not release it. I'll be waiting. Almost there. Okay, you see it flashed red and white. You can release it when you see this. Perfect. The reset has been done. You can now try pairing them again with your phone or computer because they will be in pairing mode after doing the reset. Hopefully this will solve your problem and yeah, everything will be good to go afterwards. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.